Are you looking to replace some old appliances? As you may know, Consumer Reports is one of the most trusted consumer organizations. They offer unbiased reviews and ratings on countless products. We do stock Consumer Reports print magazine and their annual buying guides in many of our branches. But did you know that you can easily access the Consumers Report website for free through our digital library? With a couple clicks, you have full access to the entire Consumer Reports site with all their ratings, reviews, and articles. You can access this website as many times as you like. And take your time reviewing the information you are looking for. Access to Consumers Report is just a couple clicks away. On the library website, look for the Our Collection tab. Then click on Digital Library. Within the Business and Consumer Information section, you'll find the direct link to Consumers Report. You will be asked to enter your library card number when you enter the site. If you have any more questions or need help with Consumer Reports, talk to staff at one of our open branches. You can also email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca or call us at 705-324-9411 extension 1291.